Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges I'm saving for throughout the year. A little this and then a little that. So I am going to start with my every Friday of 2025. And this Friday is September 5th. Let's go ahead and color that one in. And I use this to make an extra payment towards debt. So we'll see how much September will bring us. Next is weekly savings, created by Norella's Budgets. Oops, knocking stuff over. Oh, yeah, let's put that right there. All right. And with this weekly savings, I am just rolling a D8 and save that amount. And we are here for September. And it goes towards my son's senior year. So we got $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Next we have our we got Save with Judy. Each icon is $5 for a total of $300, and this also goes towards his senior year. And I think today I'm gonna do 2 icons. So let's do 2. We got what are these, acorns? I think so. So we're gonna do 2 of those for $10. All right. Why did I do that 2 different colors? I don't know. In the mornings here in Ohio, it definitely feels like fall. It's been like high 50s, low 60s in the morning time, which is crazy. So $10. And then when I get off work, it's like blazing hot in like the 80s. All right. Next, we got Santa is Coming to Town. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. And I am going to put the 20 in here, like always. Let's put the 20. Let's do the reindeers here. Let's see. Times 2. Oh, Lordy. Let's see. Times what? Let's see. Here we go. Really? So guess what? That's the whole $20. These reindeers are greedy. Wow. So $20. I thought it could get any worse, but it did. Where is my black marker? I don't know. So let's go ahead and put 20 here. Well, that was short and sweet. So let's go to say 2025 and 2025. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. Stay where everything wants to fall. So I have 50, 55, 56, 57. Oh, $57. So what shall we do? What should we do? Put 57 in a calculator. Minus, let's go ahead and knock that 26 out. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 26 And let's give that a, what color? I don't know. Don't want to do orange. Let's do, oh, I should do green. All right, so they knock out this 26. Okay, so should we do the next 24? Oh, $7 left. All right, 24. So let's go with orange. Probably should have picked 22. I don't know. All right. So we got $7. And of course I got 22, 22, 18. And no 7 over here. All right. So what I'm going to do is, oh, let's put that, was that 50? What did I do? 24, 26, yes, $50. Wow. Even 50 in here. And then let's do, I did create like a rollover here. Did I put the money in the wrong thing? Did I put the fit? Oh dear. Yes, I put in the wrong. See, look, Christmas is trying to take all the money. So put the 50 in there. And then I have this fill the jar here. And this is created by NASA Budgets. And I'm going to put that $7 here. Yes. So let's go ahead. Do we have a 7? Nope, but we have a 5 and 2. So let's do that. And this total is $100. And what this will go to, we let it be a surprise. So 5, and let's do a 2. Let's do a 2 down here. So I don't want the 2 close together. Let's do it down here. I think that worked. How about you guys? All right, so that is $7. Going into fill the jar. Perfect. Love that. And that quick, fast, that's $100 put into my year of savings. I am thinking about combining some of my videos together because, ooh, child, work be just working me. And finding room to finding time to edit videos and get them out to you guys. So stay tuned for that. So I'm thinking about combining this video and my holiday binder video together, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I might keep them apart. I don't know, Gems. You know me. I change things up all the time. But thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, Gems.